SmartERP is an Oracle Platinum partner. We provide innovative, cost-effective, configurable solutions and efficient services for common business challenges. We were formed in 2005 by PeopleSoft and Oracle executives, and we have a very unique business model in the market, 24/7, 365 days service with locations all over the globe. Our solutions automate, streamline, and simplify many business processes, eliminating manual steps and paper, increasing productivity and accuracy, enabling organizations to do more with less. With mobile responsive, intuitive user interfaces, we provide an enhanced user experience with solutions that are easy to use and enhance efficiency. Our most popular solutions include Smart Onboarding, that includes I-9 and e-verification, Talent Procurement, and Avalara Tax Connectors running on Oracle Cloud. We moved our solutions from AWS and Rackspace onto Oracle Cloud to provide ourselves as well as our customers more affordable offerings with the best user experience possible for our clients. Our cloud solutions, such as Employee Onboarding and Talent Procurement, integrate directly with Oracle Cloud applications. Being powered by Oracle Cloud is a competitive advantage for our solutions. Being an ISV as well as a service provider makes SmartERP unique. Partnering with Oracle enables us to provide solutions with world-class performance and scalability, and to deliver very efficient consulting services. This partnership has provided 3 key benefits for our clients: lowering costs, greater efficiency, and unbeatable performance, along with world-class security that our clients can depend on. To learn more about our solutions and services or to see our demos, visit smarterp.com/everythingoracle.